So as you can see above, there is a name of a boy, name of a person, name of a place, a name of a thing. Okay, तो boy, name of this person, ये इस person के बारे में बता रहा है, तो boy is also a noun. डॉग इस एनिमल के बारे में बता रहा है, फ्लावर्स इस पेड़ पौधे के बारे में बता रहा है, प्लांट्स ट्रीज भी क्या है, लिविंग थिंग है. ओके, सो देन वी हैव पॉन्ड, इस तालाब के बारे में बता रहा है, तो पॉन्ड भी इसका नाम ही ना हुआ, तो ये भी क्या है, नाउन है, नेमिंग वर्ड है. ओके, डक इस वर्ड के बारे में बता रहा है, एक्वेटिक वर्ड के बारे में, तो ये डक वर्ड, डक क्या है, इसका नाम है, तो ये भी क्या है, एक नेमिंग वर्ड हुआ. ओके, so the name of people, place, animal and things are called naming words. The name of people, places, animal or things are called naming words. Okay, in higher we say the name of people, animal, places are thing called noun. So in standard one we say naming words. Okay, किसी भी person यानी किसी भी इंसान, किसी भी आदमी, लोग कह सकते हैं. person means व्यक्ति, किसी भी व्यक्ति का नाम, किसी भी जगह का नाम, किसी भी जानवर का नाम, किसी भी चीज़ का नाम क्या है, नेमिंग वर्ड है. ओके, तो जस्ट लाइक मेरे क्लास में सृष्टि है, काव्या है, तो ये क्या है, नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन हुआ. ओके, बेंचेस है, टेबल है, नेम ऑफ अ थिंग्स हुआ. स्कूल, पार्क, नेम ऑफ प्लेस हुआ. ओके, तो जस्ट लाइक दिस वी हैव सो मेनी नेम्स of so many things. Okay, so I will do some exercises to let you understand the more of this topic. Okay, so let's start with the question number A. So in this question number A we have some things are given excuse me, some things are given below. Circle those that you carry in your school bag. Here we have the picture of some things. Okay, now we have to circle those things which we carry in our school bags. Okay, so we have the picture of a school bag, clock, pencil, tiffin box, telephone, crayon and a pop. Okay, so what we carry in our school bags? The first thing we carry is a school bag. Okay, so we have to circle the I will mention the page number also, so you will not confuse about this. Okay, so question number A, page number 11 and so the first thing we have to circle the circle what we have to circle. The first thing is pencil. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम स्कूल जाते हैं तो स्कूल बैग लेके जाते हैं, और अब हमें उन चीज़ों को सर्कल करना है जो हम अपने स्कूल बैग में रख के ले जाते हैं. सो अ क्लॉक, we don't carry clock in our school bags because our schools already have a clock. That's why we don't need a clock in our school bags, so we don't have to circle the clock here. Then we have a picture of a pencil. Okay, so pencil, yes, we carry our pencils in our instruments box and we carry our instruments box in our school bags, so we have to circle the picture of a pencil. Okay, then we have to circle a tiffin box. Yeah, definitely we have our lunches in our school and we have our lunches in our tiffin box from the home. So yes, we will definitely carry, yeah, we always carry a tiffin box in our school bags, so we have to circle the tiffin box. Without tiffin box we can't survive in our school. Okay, then we have a picture of a telephone. Okay, first of all it depends on the class, but according to me, if you are from any class, you guys don't carry a telephone or a mobile. Okay, because this is not for the students. Okay, this is made for the adults, for the elders. Okay, so we don't carry a telephone in our school. If you need this kind of things, our school already have a telephone, then you can communicate with that telephone to your parents, to your to your parents or guardians. Okay, so we don't carry telephone in our school bag, so we don't have to circle the telephone here. Then we have a picture of a crayon. Yes, we carry crayon because we have art classes in our school period. That's why we need a crayon to attend the class, to enjoy the class. Okay. Then we have a picture of a pup. So we don't carry, yeah, and in a simple words, pets are not allowed in school. That's why we don't carry, or we can't carry a pup or a pet in our school. So we don't have to circle the picture of a pup here, because pets are not allowed in the school. You can play with your pets at your home. Okay, because school is not a playground, school is a temple of education, and you go there to get education, not just to playing around yourself. So we don't have to circle the pup word here or picture of a pup here. You guys have to circle the only three things in this question number 8. First is pencil, second is tiffin box, and the third one is crayon. Okay, these things we carry in our school bags. Okay, at the time we go to school. So this is the question number A from the page number 11. You have to do this question number A in your book. Don't do this in your copy. This is the other exercises. You guys you just have to understood the concept of a naming words. Okay,